A bowl? Isn't that supposed to be in the kitchen? Hi everyone, my name is Alina. I started Wavy Girl method almost a year ago, just to improve the health of my hair. But then suddenly I realized that I have some wave in it. And since I started this journey, I learned so much about hair. I was hoping to share this information with you, and maybe you'll find it helpful as well. I heard about the bowl method probably a year ago when I just started my journey, but it actually never occurred to me to try it. I just really didn't have a bowl in my kitchen that my whole hair would fit in. But then at some point recently, probably a month ago or so, I've seen Swavy curly Courtney to try the bowl method, and Courtney was extremely surprised by the results that she got from trying the bowl method. And I was like, maybe I should give it a try as well. And so I did. So, what is the bowl method? Basically, you put the bowl under your hair when you start styling your hair, and everything that drops from your hair, water as well as products, stay in the bowl. So after some time, when you apply your stylers, you just dip your hair into the bowl again and then start scrunching again and again and again. I had an idea that the bowl method could actually work for me, because when I style my hair, I feel like I constantly need to be adding water, because my hair needs quite a lot of water for clumps to form. And this is why I think that the bowl method is actually really beneficial for all wavy hair. The thing is that wavy hair is different from the curly hair because wave is much bigger in the diameter, if that's a word, than the curl. Curls are usually much tighter, and waves are loose curl, so they have like a bigger gap between them. And therefore, for hair to form into the actual curl, one clump has to have quite a lot of hair in it. As you can see, like these are really juicy clumps here that I have that definitely need separation. Alright, enough talking, let's just move straight away into the bathroom, and I'm gonna show you how I style my hair using the bowl. But first of all, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to share much more information with you about the wavy hair and also the stylers that are available in the UK. My hair looks a bit dry, so it was about the time to give it some moisture. I always take time to make sure that my hair will fully absorb the water before I start shampooing it. Almost forgot to use my hair blocker. Today I will be using the whole line of Wave products, which was created specifically for wavy hair. I find this shampoo to be moisturizing, but also is a really gentle cleanser for the most of the wash days. I have extremely dense hair, and I only recently found out that it also is coarse. I will soon share a video with you about my hair analysis findings. I always cleanse my head twice with the shampoo because I have dermatitis, and if any grease will be left in my head, it will really quickly gonna get itchy. I like to go with this scalp massager from time to time to properly clean my scalp, but also to give a little bit boost to the roots so the hair will grow a little bit faster. Also notice that I don't really shampoo my hair, I only focus on the roots. Most of the time hair strands don't really need to be shampooed, and especially they don't really need to be rubbed when wet, as it extremely going to damage your hair cuticles, as they are in the most fragile state when wet. Then moving to the conditioner that has the most amazing sleep I ever experienced. It's pretty thick and the tangling process is very easy with this one. You can see that I pretty much detangle with my fingers and water. I then apply it for the second time to detangle it with the detangling brush. And make sure to detangle it from all angles and then squish the condition once again. When conditioner is completely washed off, this is where I bring my bowl. I then apply leave-in conditioner that is called Treat, which is, by the way, is very slippery as well. You can see that I can literally run my fingers through my hair without any issues. I barely can do it with any other products. My hair is pretty much very tangle prone. But then I take a tangle teaser, the tangling brush, to organize my clumps. I didn't really like it as the tangling brush as it actually ripped some of the hair off. But I do like it for styling as I think that it creates slightly bigger clumps than my usual flexible detangling brush. Once hair is brushed through away from the scalp from all angles, I start to scrunch it and dip my hair into the bowl. I just added a bit of more water in the bowl as I found that there wasn't enough for my hair. Then I went with Mirror Wave mousse, which is called Cast. I tried to apply it all over my hair while dipping hair into the bowl in between applications. As my last step, I will go with the gel. The consistency of the gel is very interesting, something between thick flaxseed gel and the jelly. But you can see how amazingly it performs on my hair, creating quite a few ringlets. Once I finish scrunching, I dip my hair into the bowl for the last time and squish my hair only to remove the excess water without creating a lot of frizz. So I just squish and hold for a few seconds without pulsing it. I then plop for about 15 minutes and diffuse my hair as usual. So these are my results in the cast. Let me just take my zazzy band off. I usually have it when I'm waiting for 100% to dry. So these are all in the cast. Let's do the fun part and break the cast together. I used this amazing ava oil and it actually made for hair growth, but I use it both for massaging it into my scalp but also breaking out the cast, scrunching out the crunch. So here we go. Let's see where it wants to part naturally. Maybe that's a little bit too much on this side. How does it look? Oh, I look like a doll with so many ringlets. I probably need to separate them. I never done separation because I never had such a big clumps all together. Ever since I tried the bowl method, I can't really go back into any other styling methods because I just love it so much. It's just so easy. Yes, it takes a little bit longer than my previous methods that you probably watched already. If you haven't, click the link here, how I style my hair without the bowl. But honestly, ever since I tried the bowl, I can't really go back because the results I receive from it are just absolutely fantastic. I love it. And also, I really feel it's so much better because I feel that I waste so much less products because everything that drops from my hair, it drops into the bowl. And when I'm dipping my hair in the bowl again, therefore these products go back into my hair. So usually when I style, I need to use less product and also less product actually is getting wasted. Have you tried this method on your hair? Did it work? Please just let me know in the comments down below. I would like to hear your experience with the bowl method. And if you haven't tried, get the bowl from the kitchen and give it a go, because I'm really very surprised by the results I got from the bowl method. And honestly, I don't think I will ever go back with styling my hair without the bowl. But can we talk for a moment about this absolutely amazing new line just for wavy girls that is available in the UK? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Wave is made in the UK by a person who herself has a wavy hair, who lives just next to the seaside and always struggled with the products because none of them were actually suitable for her wavy hair. I was lucky enough to receive this just to try them out, and honestly, I'm so in love. Like, I never experienced such juicy clumps in my life. Obviously, the bowl method helps, but with other products and the bowl method, I don't really get ringlets, like actual ringlets, as you can see. So these products are actually marked like how you're supposed to use them. Obviously, low poo shampoo #1, then brilliant, very detangling, very nice conditioner. Like, I never had any other conditioner that would make my hair so slippery and allow me to detangle my hair so quickly. But also, this combination of treat, cast and protect is brilliant. Like, you know, I usually use gel before the mousse, but here in this case, foam, it's actually a foam, not mousse. It goes really much nicer in the actual order as it was created. I tried to swap them and I found that the actual order is much better the way they were created. This leave-in conditioner, which is a treatment, it's called Feed. It actually has some protein as well inside. It also gives your hair quite a lot of sleep, but also is really good treatment because it has a bit of protein. If you haven't tried yet, I would definitely recommend you, if you're new, if you're just starting your journey, or maybe if you're struggling to find wavy hair products, give Wave a try, because it's literally all in one. You get from 1 to 5 and you don't really need any other products in your line. That's how amazing it is. The link is going to be down in the description, so just follow the link and have a look at these products yourself. Right, I really hope that you found this information useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna be sharing so much more information with you. And don't forget to follow me on the Instagram. I post there much more frequently. I update their pictures every single day, trying to show you how my hair looks. At this point, I almost already completed my single styler challenge and testing. So very soon I'm going to share quite a lot of information with you about my single styler trial. But if you cannot wait for another video, just follow me on Instagram, head over there and see all the results that are already published there. Well, thanks a lot for watching and see you soon. Bye!